So we'll start the session. So yesterday we had a discussion on the uplink control information. So uplink control information, again the same modulation part what it is there, same demodulation technique also it will be used, because that is the only thing. Because you might have observed in information theory and coding also, convolutional encoder and convolutional decoder, right? Linear block code, encoding way and decoding. So in the information theory coding also you have observed that how a message will be converted into a code words, and that code word how it is transmitted, and at the receiver how that code words are decoded. Is it or no? So encoding decoding procedure should be common, and if it is different then obviously you will be having issues, right? So it is not able to read properly and all other stuff. So when I want to upload any information or control information, parameters which I'm going to check whether my voice, no, example I'm taking a session, so you are not physically present in front of me, so I don't know whether you are listening, whether you are attending or what you are doing. So everything I am not aware. So in this screen I can see that so many people have joined the session, but how many are listening, what is the feedback, what whether you are understanding or not, so that will be a question mark, right? So instant feedback if I want to have, then what I need to call one person, then ask. So I will ask, Afrin, what is the response, what is the output, or what is the feedback you wanted to give, right? So feedback on a live platform we can take, or feedback in the form of Google form we can take. So we will check with respect to the first IA, right? So first IA we will see how much you have scored. So all of you have scored above 70% or 80%, then my teaching is good, like that they will be judging, right? It is not based on only my teaching that you have scored above 70 or 80%, right? It is all dependent on how much effort you are putting. Okay, my part will be what, only to guide you, to tell you these are the concepts, these are the things, these are the information, this will be important, this is how you have to do, this is how you have to learn. And finally, tomorrow exam, tonight you need to sit and study the things so that you will do well in the examination. Okay, so some part will be there, I am not telling that major part will be mine. Okay, major part is yours only, your contribution only, right? One people is writing good and one people is writing not so good. Okay, so it doesn't mean that it is dependent on the faculty, it is dependent on the student, right? So everything, it is not dependent on student only. I am not telling that I have not done this syllabus, but you prepare for the examination. So those instructions we never give, right? So what maximum instruction we can give is that, so these are the topics which I have covered, so from this part only we will give the questions. Okay, so some ethics will be there, right? Some procedures will be there, so that we need to follow it. Okay, we cannot bypass all these things. I will give important questions to you that you will prepare, right? Those all things not required. Why? Because you understand what to prepare, how much you have to prepare, what is expected, and based on that thing you will be preparing and you are taking up the examination. And always I tell that, let it be whatever you score in your IA and all those stuff. IA also you should score more than 20 plus only, right? Why? Because that is a minimum requirement, and also that it will boost your percentage. And finally it is your final semester, so many people will be at the borderline, they wanted to cross from second class to first class, so they should score about 80 plus, then only they will get into the first class to FCD students, right? FCD students to the rank holders. So these are all the parameters which will be considered, right? So we will check thoroughly everything, right? We will check your observations, we check your notes, we will check your assignments, we check your attendance, and everything it will be recorded and it will be displayed as a proof, right? So here also when I am transmitting data, some control information bit should be enabled, right? So who is going to do this? how is going to be processed, so who is going to take care of that one, so what information I should send. So these are the things which you are going to observe now. So if I tell I want you to send a message, circulate a message to all of your friends. So all of you have grouped in one WhatsApp group, 8A section. So if they put that message, so that message will be circulated to everyone. Few people they might have not observed because so many messages will be scrolling, right? So few people will be missed, but majority information will be there. Any of your friends will be intimating that this is the last date, or we will be intimating regularly, because this assignment I had posted in the last month. Okay, before your IA and everything, we had long before I had posted this one, and deadline also I have given more time. So many people would have forgotten, right? And I am not telling on the last moment, I am telling prior 2 3 days before, so that you will have sufficient time to write up and to upload the things. Okay, that is the thing. So you are doing in a systematic way. That is the main point which I have to highlight here, right? So sometimes acknowledgement is required, sometimes acknowledgement is not required, so all those steps it will be present, right? So these are the things which we will be observing in this uplink control information. So scheduling a request, so session and everything we will schedule prior, late on spot meeting we are not doing, so already prior scheduled. So schedule request I need to send, so that link will be intimated. Maybe if I go to a webex and other stuff, what happens, you will get a mail 1 hour before, you will get a mail stating that a meeting is been scheduled, and 1 hour is a reminder for you people. Okay, in teams how you are going to know, once if I start a meeting, right, a meeting it is been started, so you will get a message stating that a meeting has been started, so and so subject it has been started. So by looking at that also you will join, right, if you are not observing your WhatsApp properly, right? So pre-coding matrix, it is a one indicator which will tell for the frequency hopping and all those things, right? So which should be mapped, which should not be mapped. So these are the few examples which you can find in the physical uplink control channel, right? And UCI is your uplink control information. So what information you should provide for this uplink channel for the control information, because I should tell, intimate and everything to you, right? So I given a deadline and all those things, so that should be put as a message to you, so that you will come to know what you have to respond in, right? So every time it is in this way, right? If you go to some IISc and all those things, they are very particular about these deadlines and submission and everything. If deadline is not met, then over, they will not extend any time and all those stuff. Now for you people, as we are using a new technology and all those things, first IA we will allow, second IA we will allow maybe, right? But third IA, if you tell, sir, I am not able to upload these things, then definitely they will not entertain you. Okay, that is what you should think, because we are putting our 100% effort, you also should put your effort. And if you are not meeting a deadline, and we are not responsible for that. Okay, as you and me, we know each other for long duration of time, so you know some genuine people will be there, sir, for this reason we will not able to upload the things. For those things we will provide, but not for everything. Okay, so that you should be very careful. So here also you can see whether you require an acknowledgement or not, whether, because when I require an acknowledgement, for that also I am uh, power is utilized, right? So these all pictures will come. You want a, because if I want to have this whether my message has been delivered or not, for that also I need to pay to the network provider. Now everything it is free, now you could, now there is no need for paying any things. But what happens is that power drain is a thing which will be present. So you are getting a message, submission message, delivered message from the network provider, so some amount of power is also consumed. Okay, so for this reason people will tell, sir, I kept mobile, I didn't use anything, but from 90% it is drained to 80%. So how this 10% without sending any messages, how
ఇంకేడు
this,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಚೈತ್ರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಏನು ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಚೈತ್ರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ left the session or something happened. Leave. So these are the information which is trying to tell us what is offered by the network provider to the user equipment, and which you are going to select and which you are going to not use, right? So in our mobile phone only it will be there. If I go to message setting and if I tell deliver message, if I make it is on, so I'll getting a message once message has been delivered. So by default it will be in the default position, which is reset. So if I want that service, I should activate, for which I need to pay, or for which I need to be okay with the power consumption and other stuff. Okay, so encoding CQI and PMI. So we are doing uplink part. So obviously we have to go for the encoding procedure. So encoding your data, you have to use this method which is saying as 20 NCQI, right? So NCQI is nothing but your number of elements which is going to be present active. So which code, which number we are going to transmit, how many bits and all those stuffs, it will be there. Because we are fixing the number of bits of transmission, like 8 bit, like 16 bit, like what we call 32 bit and all those stuff. Now for this prefix code we are going to add. Now that prefix code randomly it will not generate. Okay, so it is following some sequence, right? And that sequence only we need to identify, and that sequencing table only we are displayed here, right? So why it is 20? Because we are having from 0 to 20, and you can see here 1011 I1 I0 I2 I3 I4 till I12. So 12 is the check bits which you are going to have for your data, right? So this is one method which we can observe. So here also it will follow some pattern, right? So it is just like a frame format type of a thing. So which will be on, which will be off, so that we will be observing now in the coming slides. Okay. So you see again on physical uplink control channel. So for the encoding part, you are going to use HARQ acknowledgement bit, SR indication, which is your what you call SR is scheduling resources indication are received from higher layers. So one layer positive acknowledgement, negative acknowledgement, right? Single code word transmission word, two code word transmission word. So those all possibilities has been listed here, which is supporting, right? CQI PMI plus HARK acknowledgement. Now here you observe that there is only acknowledgement sent and schedule programming. So he is not intimating I am going to start the session. It is just like I have scheduled the session at exactly 11 o'clock. I will come and take the session. So how many people will join? So they should be knowing, because everyone will not keep the timetable. Everyone always they will not keep the mobile phone, right? For charging and all those things you will keep aside. So you will be not knowing whether session is going on or not. So that is why you observe that I am posting in the calendar. So in the calendar you are going to observe I am posting in the message WhatsApp informing that session is going to start at so and so time, you need to join. And once I join this session also, I am telling asking you people, tell your friends to join the session. And after doing all this stuff in a class strength of 60 people, 50 3 plus 7 total, 17 scheme and 15 scheme, total 60 people. Now number of people are 42, right? So many people will be not aware, or few people will be there, I don't want to join class today, I am there having some work, right? So after doing all this stuff, the attendance is 42 people including me, right? So you have the luxury of giving intimating the things, right? So schedule requesting HRQAK is a one, means you are taking a feedback from those things. Apart from this one, you are going to generate the this indicator part, you are going to generate the control quality indicator part. So for those things also you have to follow some encoding method which has been displayed in this slide. Right. So I said that frame format, you should tell which bit is on, which bit is off. So for that one is giving the format, right? So control information, you might have observed there are three format, type 0, type 1 and type 2, right? So type 1 again you have 1A, 1B, type 2 you are having 2A and 2B. So these are the facilities which will provide. So for scheduling the request that you want to active, so scheduling a request, it is not applicable. So m bit it is obvious. So for scheduling a request, it is mandatory for everything. Okay. Then for the automatic repeat request acknowledgement along with schedule request, so m bit should be 1, right? H request acknowledgement and HARQ for SR for 1B, this should be 2, right? So m bit is your most significant bit which is going to highlighted, so that value will be on. So that values only you can observe in these bit. So here you can see m bit, it has been highlighted. So these bit based on this parameter only we will observe. Now for the real time application, we don't have anything to set it and to explain to you, right? So it is similar kind of a things which I wanted to send. If I type a message, if I don't send add a number to that one, whether it will reach, it will not reach. So you need to send a particular number, enter that one, then if you type a message, then you send, then it will reach. If I take a mail, if I have to write a subject, I have to write the content, I have to add the mail ID, then I need to send it. So you will get a intimation you have not written subject, without that you wanted to send. So that also is possible. Right. So now many things will get a spam and all those kind of a thing. So these are the techniques which we need to avoid. So these are the scheduling format supported by the physical uplink channel which has been provided here. Right. So now you observe, now control information for the shared channel. Till now we were using for the control channel. These are all control channel information for the physical link layer controlled channel. Now what happened? It has been, because we have shown in this, right? So first we discussed about the control channel part. So what should be activated? Now in the later part it should be dealing with the share. So when I am doing a share part, there is bit different. Okay. So you observe that I want to send a message. I want to send for a message of one particular person. I want to send a message for a group. So there is different, right? So that we need to identify. If I put in a group, for whom it should go, whether they have observed or not is very difficult for me to identify. Now anyhow in the WhatsApp, we have an option of message information. What is the message information will do? Can anyone will tell? In the WhatsApp, we have an option of this message information. So what you are going to look into that message information? Can anyone will share in this? Larry. Larry Priyadarshini. You are not active, not listening. Anybody can tell. Chaitra, you are back. Chaitra madam. Mute mode ನಲ್ಲಿ. Afterwards you will tell, sir, mic problem. Akanksha Soni. So many people are inactive, not responding. Kusuma. Kusuma, she is available. She is also not there. She is there online, but not responding, only kept aside. ಆಕರ್ಷ್ ಇವನು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಆಕರ್ಷ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಅಭಿಲಾಷ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, so dumb. ಅಖಿಲ್, he is also dumb or you are not able to hear me? Nobody is hearing to me. Sir, mic issue. I don't know why this mic issues will come when we ask question. Afrin, Afrin, Hindu. See, that is why unnecessarily simply I waste 40 minutes give lecture, whether you have understood or not understood. I have to leave the session. Take attendance. Okay, I will apply the method what our principles are used. Those who are active, raise your hand. See, around more than 10 people are raising their hand, understanding you are listening, but you don't want to reply. Larry madam, nimdu mic problem, you have raised your hand. First person I asked you only. Technical questions I didn't ask. I asked only in WhatsApp when you put message, there is option for you to check message information. From that message information, when you click, what you are going to observe. That I am asking. Jai Shankar answer ಮಾಡಲಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ರೀಡ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ಎರಡು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ.
When you go for that message information, you will get two section. One is message delivered, one is message seen. Alva?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
So technical contents, I want you to understand only that part. So in this networking or communication scenario also, you will find all this information. Okay, so that is what we are trying to tell, which is active, which is not active, right? So which is to be enabled, which is not enabled, that uplink information, because this is a control information which will do that task. Okay, that is the work of this which is going to do. Now shared channel and control channel are of like these things. If I tell to only one person, if I send, it will tell whether that message is delivered to that single person, whether that single person has read or not. If I send same message in a group, so I will tell for how many people it has delivered, for how many people they have seen, and once all the members they have seen, then you will get that blue color. Is it or no? Same thing is followed in this part also. So the technicality things only we are observing now. Okay, so here also for the shared channel, again you are going to use some multiplexing technique like FDD, TDD. So which acknowledgement you are going to use, based on that one, which type of multiplexing it is going to do. So that we are going to observe. So two acknowledgement if I want, then I have to go with a time division, and if it is for only HRK acknowledgement bit, I will go for a FDDB bit. And here are the rank indicator bits, right? So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, these are the different banks, okay, or rank we call, bank we call. So these are the technicality content of the control information on the shared channel, okay. So that is what you can observe here. Right. Again, coding with respect to the same what it will follows, but the number of bit it will varies, because you have observed in the a linear block code or a cyclic code, there will be only what a number of bits will be very less, like 8-bit data, 11-bit data. If more number of bits is there, then it is not suitable. Then we will go for the some other technology, like we will go for a Golang code and all those stuff. Now you observe the maximum number of people which I can allocate in this is 250. If more than 250 people are there, then it is difficult for me to enter here, right, in the Teams app. So if I go for a WebEx, so for free version they will give 100 members, right? If I pay, I will get 1000 people also, I can make a session. Now best example is that recently last week or 10 days before, we had this Kaikathon, right? So I was one of the evaluator, and all over the India they were giving instructions. So all over India there will be more than around 1000 colleges which are participating, okay, in this event. So 1000 people, they don't know how to communicate. So one AICT office is communicating to 1000 people, and 250 people is a maximum in these teams. So they will use WebEx for transmitting data where 1000 people can be accommodated. So you might be observing few of the events which have joined, like a webinar and all those stuff. So number of people also it will be very minimal, 100, 200. But if you go to a national level kind of a things, you will be finding more than 500 people, right? You attend this IEEE webinar and all those things, number of participants will be more in number, and for those things only they will use WebEx. So WebEx is having a tie-up with the IEEE, and that is why they will do it, okay. Those are the things which will be there. Now Teams, it is purchased by the college, so 250 members, and our organization only people can join. So that is the advantage. So if I make faculty meeting, so there are 110 or 115 faculty, so 250 is sufficient, right? If I make a event for complete SVC college, then Microsoft Teams is not suitable, because college strength is around 2000 people, and 2000 people I cannot accommodate in 250 members app, right? So I have to use some other way. So what I will do, I will go for this YouTube live, right? So YouTube live is also like presenting, only thing is that you will not get any feedback. So here I ask the thing, you raise the thing. In the YouTube live, if I ask a question, you should type and indicate that you are alive or you are listening, right? So those are the things which will be present and which will be knowing, right? So for the uplink shared channel also, these are the, see, there was 20 value, 20 NCE value. Now in the shared part, the value is 32 NCQ. So this is a thing which is present from higher layer to the lower layer, how it will be interacting. So data and control multiplexing. So why you require, because for your data control information will be added, and that will be provided by your CQ encoded data, upper link shared channel data, and they are providing this information, and this information will be there in the binary form. And for this binary value, you are going to add the rank indicator value. Rank indicator sequence which you are going to choose is whether it is 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. So if it is a 2-bit, you are having 2 values. If it is a 4 options, you are having 1 2 3 4, right? They are following some pattern. You observe that binary 2 bits value is there, you will get only 0 1. Now code word for that one is 1 and 2. Maybe if you might have remembering in the Huffman coding, right? So 2 bits we were calculating. So values here, code words were generating only 0 and 1. If 3 bits, if I was summing, the values was 0, 1, 2. If 4 bits we were doing, so we were getting 0, 1, 2, 3 code words. Triple quadrate, triple Huffman coding, quadrature Huffman coding. So you remember that technology, right? That part, right? So that rank part only is speaking here. This is simple, right? 0 and 1, you have 1, 2. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So if you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1, 0, 0, 5. So like that code word rank will be generated. That is a simple technology which going to be used here. Right. So that is your rank control part, and HRK acknowledgement for every data you have to make sure that whether it is reached or not. That is mandatory. Here also I will be asking questions. You reply me, you answer to this one. I'll take attendance. You should be present in this time. So everything it is a thing. Finally, I observed how much time you have attended, and based on that, I will give the things. See, now in this part, we are going to measure, right? Recently I attended one FDP. Okay, so 5 days is a FDP, and if I just log in, okay, and he is going to check for how much the duration was there for 1 hour, how much duration I was present. So that is going to observe. Now that speaker, what he has done is that they are not responding. Okay, he is delivering a lecture, but participants are not responding. So what he had done is that in between only there was a surprise quiz he conducted. Surprise quiz, like he created like a Kahoot, or he created like a minty.com. So he gave questions, and parallelly I need to answer. Okay, so that is how I have interaction. He had interaction with the participant. Okay, now also what I can do is that there is an option for me for the this collaboration, whiteboard collaboration. So whiteboard collaboration, if I give an option to that one to collaborate all of you, so I will write something on that whiteboard, and I ask you people to write the answer. So it is a live teaching which is made, so that you will be also participating, and I also will be having a confirmation that you people are understanding or following the things. Or what our principal sir did was that he asked us to raise your hand. So now you see everyone has raised their hand, but they forgot to raise down. Right, now who are active, still again it is a dilemma. So now what we trust is that our students will be listening. That is the what trust we have. Okay, and based on this trust only we have to work. Otherwise what happens, every time I cannot test you whether you are listening, whether you are not. Earlier we were asking and we were checking what is the thing, because we don't want us to waste our time. See, now after listening my words, from 15 it come down to 7. So people are interacting, at least 7 people are responding. That is more than, that is why I always tell that my teaching everyone will understand is not the point. If one student is able to understand, that is most satisfaction thing which will be present. Right? So I expect only on that principle, and I will work. So again, these values you can see for the modulation purpose. Again, which code value. Now you observe these are all for the frame format. Sir, you may be asking, sir, how to remember this, sir? How to write in the examination? See, nobody will ask anybody to write the frame format. If it is mandatorily required, then they will particularly ask. So this wireless communication, he will just ask about the write the short notes kind of a thing. Okay, so write a short notes on the uplink UCI on the shared channels, or UCI information related to the control channel. So whichever things which you can pick it up and which can be represented in a short notes type of a thing, you can present it. That is the only thing you can do. See, nobody will remember this 1A, 1B, 1B, all those things. What is supporting? It is supporting BPSK. It is supporting quadrature PSK. right? So these things you can tell. What is the m bit value? For some time there is a pattern you can remember, like it is pattern of 1 2, it is a pattern of 2 0 2 1 2 2, because we have three sections, 2a 2ab 2 2a and 2b. So 2 0 2 1 2 2, 1a and 1b we are having 1 and 2, only one. This is a so when it is na, it is not applicable. Okay, so not applicable indicating means there is no use anta Allah. Okay, not applicable means by default it will be into that port. Okay, by default the condition will be that one. That is the meaning there. Okay, don't think that not applicable means there is no value anta Allah. No value anta Allah. By default this will be the format which is going to be transmitted, right? So all PUCCH, which is your physical uplink control channel formats, are cyclic shift of a base sequence to transmit in each SCFDMA. So it is going to be generated on a cyclic base, right? So what is cyclic base? So you are going to generate a code word, and this code word will be having some pattern. So I am writing one pattern now, right? So I am writing this pattern. You are able to see, right? This is pattern 1. Okay, and this is pattern 2. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now this is a pattern type 1 and type 2. Can you tell me what is the difference in these two? Everyone will tell, sir, there are 2 power 2, I am going to get 4 combination. So usually from your first year where you have learned this binary values and all those things, so you will be telling 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what is the decimal value? So decimal value is 0 1 2 3. So everyone will tell this which is correct. Okay, now what about this pattern 2? Now binary value is this. What is the code value? So value is 0 1 3 2. Okay, so what is this pattern, and why is SAR insisting for this pattern 2? I know many of you will be not knowing that one. Can anyone tell this pattern we have used in ITC for some problem? Which problem can anyone remember?
Hoffman, sir.
You know? What?
Hoffman coding, sir.
Huffman coding allapa. Huffman coding alli ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಯೂಸೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು different types of codes when you are learning, you are using this pattern and you are telling whether it is a what Kraft Macmillan inequality property you are going to check. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ. Answer for this one I will just tell you, right? We have done this convolutional encoder, right? So after this part he was giving one state diagram. For this state diagram, for 2 bits I had explained. So for 2 bit you have to take 4 combination, right? Present state, next state, code words you are going to do. Then you are going to write the tree diagram. Then you have to write the when one more diagram was there, that name I just forgot, right? So in that part I have utilized this pattern. So when I was explaining that ITC, I said that 0001111010. So I would have written it as S naught state, S1 state, S2 state, and S3 state. And one bit is entering, so these all bits will go from S0 to S0, from S1 to S0, from S2 to S1, from S3 to S0. So like that I was explaining. So here this pattern he has assumed. Okay, now assumption, how he has taken this part, every time we have followed this methodology, so this we have to take. Why he is taking this part? If they ask a question, what my answer will be that is going to check this bit position. So 0 0, it is in one state. So now in this I am changing this state. Okay, now I am retaining this state and I am changing the other state. So in this order he is going to create this pattern 2. See, now here you observe 0 0, fine. Now 0, it is same state, but this 0 is replaced by this 1. Now from this and this part you check, 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. So what happens in the next state, both position I am changing. Okay, so that is why in that problem I have not considered this pattern 1. I have considered this pattern 2 because I want to change at a time only once. So in this 0 0 is there, I change one position, I kept it as 0 1. Now in this 1 1 position, so 1 I am retaining as it is. Now 0 and 1 I have changed. Okay, now again here 1 1 is there, so 1 I have retained as it is, so 0 I have changed. So here in this pattern 2, at a time only one bit is allowed to change. Now in this pattern 1, at a time 2 bits are allowed. So that is why this pattern 1 I have not selected. Okay, I have selected pattern 2, and this is the reason why we take this pattern for solving that issue. Still you have more knowledge about that part that you can observe in one more subject which we have, which we call it as a digital circuit and logic design. That subject is available in the MTech. So if anybody joins to the MTech, this digital communication and networking or VLSI, they will definitely learn this one. There they will call it as a threshold logic. And luckily that subject also I handled it, and I have taken class for the MTech student. So that is why I know that one, and from past 10 years I am doing ITC, so I am very much familiar with that terminology. So I hope you will remember that why we have to choose this pattern 0 1 3 2. Okay, you remember in the Karnaugh map also 0 1 3 2 only it is a thing. If I want to write this way, okay, you are writing this K map, right? So you are writing, how you are writing? So you will write 0 1 3 2 4 5 6 7. So why this pattern? There is a one bit change. Okay, I hope you have noticed this one. You know this idea, it was earlier known to you. Why this K map will be in this pattern? Anybody knows? Anybody, if any faculty has explained to you? Time agide 11:45. You please leave, sir. Okay, I hope those who have listened, they have gained this knowledge. Okay, so we will stop now. Sorry because I have extended 10 minutes.